Timeless lighting design is becoming more and more important for circulation areas and side rooms such as corridors, changing rooms, or bathrooms. The Turas luminaire from Regiolux meets all requirements for modern, versatile product design and for uniform illumination. The luminaires of the Turas series have a cylindrical or cubical form factor and protection class IP40, allowing them to be perfectly integrated into any environment. The mounting plate can be pre-assembled. This will save both work and time. With our EasyFix Quick Fit mounting system, the luminaires are accessible without tools for maintenance, even after installation. The luminaire is supplied completely with insect protection ring and anti-theft protection. The individual LED lens provides an optimum and uniform light distribution. The LED module has a long service life of 50,000 hours and can be replaced quickly and easily. Of course, versions with light control or emergency lighting are also available. The Bluetooth-compatible EZ25 for dolly and FlexTin luminaires can be easily controlled and configured using the corresponding app. The Turas EZ41 is available for a wired connection. Equipped with these features, Turas luminaires also offer the option of daylight and motion control. This is the Turas series of products. IP40, cylindrical or cubical timeless design with even illumination. Easy mounting and maintenance with EasyFix button. Insect and theft protection included. Lighting control or emergency lighting versions. User-friendly technology and easy installation. With our Turas luminaires, you can create a highly versatile and functional illumination.